How to post your own GIF in Instagram comments. In this quick Instagram tutorial, I'll show you how to use your personalized avatar GIFs directly in comments. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile page. Tap Edit Profile, then select your profile picture. Here, make sure you've already created an Instagram avatar. If you haven't set one up yet, create your avatar first, as Instagram generates personalized GIF stickers based on your avatar. Once your avatar is ready, return to the Instagram homepage and open any post or reel where you want to leave a comment. Next, tap the comments section. In the comment box, look for the sticker icon on the right side and tap it. Instagram will display a collection of avatar GIFs and stickers created from your avatar. Simply choose the GIF you want to use and it will be added to your comment instantly. That's how to post your own GIF in Instagram comments using Instagram avatar stickers. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Instagram tips, tricks, and step-by-step tutorials.